Can I take your order? Ooh, everything just looks really good. The lasagna looks really nice. I'm really feeling to have the lasagna. Would you recommend anything? What would I recommend? I recommend you go your yard, go cook for yourself. That way you know what you're eating. Why do you say that? Alright. Between me and you, let me tell you something. You see the chef them in here? Them nasty bad. Me just see one round there and I pick out him nose. Every minute I dig out him nose. Me don't know where I try find, right? Like a booger strew him there around there I make. And one next one in there, every minute I scratch out him ears, dig out him ears. Like a honey I try find up in them. Me don't know where I do. And one next one, every minute I'm achoo, achoo. I sneeze up your place like I'm season the food with him mouth. Achoo. You don't think that nasty lady? And you see her next thing, when them go toilet, them no wash them hand. So can you imagine them I use them pee-pee finger deal with the food, and can you imagine when they go toilet and wipe them body? So imagine my lady, you got order the chicken tikka masala on the menu. When it come, and a chicken tikka masala, a shitty masala, kind of wash him hand. Can you imagine? Listen, them nasty. So no, me not eat from them and me wouldn't recommend nothing. So, if you want, you can still give me tip, cause this is service. Me I advise you what to do. Cause me not want you get no germs, and no worm in your belly. So, if you want, you can still, give me my tip, cause me I advise you. Or, if you want, you can still order. So, you want to order?